customer-centric firm. In 2017, research by Deloitte found that companies specifically focused on their clients were 60% more profitable than those who didn't. As digital transformations improve and disrupt industries, an old-fashioned human focus continues to be critical as success driver for all companies. PricewaterhouseCoopers found that 82% of US consumers crave more human interactions from companies.
A customer-centered company in opposition to a product-centered company is a company for which the customer is in the center of all activity. This means that customer-centered companies are not oriented around research and development. They are organized around customers and customer satisfaction. All departments are working on the customer satisfaction. So all departments are connected to the customer, and the customer is the main focus, and firms, including marketing, including logistics, including customer care, customer service, after sales, they're working with the main target to make the customers loyal and to make the customers satisfied.
Customer-centric is a business strategy that's based on putting the customers first and at the core of the business culture in order to provide a positive experience, customer well-being, and to build long-term relationships and loyalty, and subsequently customer lifetime value. For Peter Fader, customer centricity simply means looking at the overall customer lifetime value, or CLV, and concentrating the efforts on those customer segments that are most valuable and interesting to the firm to optimize profit, which is called value alignment and resource allocation optimization.
You probably remember the good old Pareto rule, which states that it is important to focus only on a limited number of customers, for example, the 15 to 20% of best customers generating 80% of the profitability or the revenues.
But not all customers are equal, some are better. Customer centricity reveals how to increase profits from the best customers, find more like them, and avoid over-investing in the bad ones. The customer isn't always right. And well, there are the good customers to focus on more, and now then those firms really don't want to invest time and effort in.
A customer-centric firm is thus using customer data to better understand and segment a customer base. It is identifying the best customers, the top customers, the 20% of customers who generate 80% of the revenues. It is focusing on products and services for the best customers and to better offer excellent services to them. It is using customer lifetime value to segment the customers in order to identify the best customers and do value alignment and allocate more resources to the top customers. On the other hand, customer centricity is not focusing on the average customer, courting and retaining low-quality customers, and underspending on acquiring high-quality customers. Treating all customers equal is not fair, would be not efficient in terms of the customer portfolio management.
Creating a customer-centric business model is the key to success in today's marketplaces, where organizations must stand out to inspire loyalty with their customers. Digital marketing and social listening strategies, as well as big data, ensure customer-centric firms to discover and respond to customer feedback and company mentions online. By incorporating social listening, they are able to identify the customer's favorite products and services. Customer-centric firms have a people-focused culture, and we view the customers as people or even humans rather than users or shoppers. They also take steps to build a structure and overall client culture for the company that empowers teams to think customers first rather than solutions or products first. Interestingly, they adopt performance measures such as employee happiness and well-being, and subsequently customer trust, happiness, and well-being, ensuring the customers always have a positive experience. Customer-centric firms adopt a data-driven holistic view of the clients. That is, mapping out the client's journey, beginning with the time before the contact a brand to an ongoing relationship, will help discover these opportunities for better understanding customers and subsequently do personalization, which comes from gathering meaningful data throughout the journey through customer behaviors, transactional behaviors, customer attitudes, customer satisfaction, customer geographical data, customer social media data, and finally, customer data coming from IoT and smart connected objects. Customer-orientated firms always listen to clients and needs and wants. Let's have a look to some examples.
These are typical organizations, such as Amazon is typically a customer-centered organization, because the heart of Amazon is the database with all the customer data and information. They are not owners of products. This is only a retailing platform. They are offering connections to a lot of marketplaces and to a lot of different markets offerers. The added value they have is the connection to this market offerers, and the added value is the relationship marketing they do. Omni-channel connection, so you can connect Amazon whenever you want. Omni-channels, so with channels SMS or video or telephone or email or chat rooms. You can connect with them easily. And the whole organization is organized around the customer and the customer needs. That is why Amazon is working so well. It's an organization of the present and the future compared to organizations which are still product-oriented.
Indeed, Amazon ranks among the brands with the highest brand loyalty. Together with Google and Facebook, Amazon increased its brand value by 60% in 1 year and is now first ranking among the top most valuable global brands together with Apple, Microsoft, Google, Facebook. None of these top 10 most valuable global brands is product orientated. They all have immaterial assets, thus customers and customer orientation. And with this customer orientation, customer assets, Amazon became the largest retailer of the world before Walmart, with a turnover of $1.4 trillion compared to Walmart only having 300 billion of US dollars turnover.
Let's have a look on Amazon.
Why Amazon became the most valuable global brand of the world and why it overpassed all the big retailers of the world and became the market leader in retail. The reason is that Amazon is a customer-centric organization. Let's have a closer look on it.
Amazon uses personalization for better convenience. Curated recommendations are a huge source of Amazon's competitive advantage. Recent figures have suggested that personalized recommendations across Amazon's websites drive a large amount of their total sales. These recommended products are based on purchase histories, items in the customer carts, items the customer viewed recently, items purchased by others who bought a similar product, and more. That is collaborative filtering. This advanced algorithms create immense value for Amazon, while making shopping more convenient for customers. The convenience fueled by personalization helps to attract new customers while retaining existing ones. Research has shown that 90% of customers believe personalization plays a significant role in purchasing, while 50% of shoppers are more likely to return and to become loyal due to personalized recommendations. It is important to say that personalization offers robust benefits to organizations through enhanced and personalized customer experience. Amazon is thus an excellent example how a business can thrive with a model that centers itself around customer service and satisfaction. They widely advertise the quality of their service. They recognize that just like products, a good service experience isn't one size fits all. It has to be personalized. It's all about finding the perfect fit for an individual customer. As a result, they have high customer service quality through multi-channel management, always available support that is trained to resolve problems in a self-directed way and in a personalized way. They are extremely reactive, empathic, and lax with refunds. giving customers free shipping and a several-month window to return items. In this context, the French sports retailer Decathlon even gives this 365-day window. Part of the way that Amazon takes the customer service to the next level is with personal level engagements. They encourage the service staff to get to know customers and create a strong personal connection. These unexpected and thoughtful acts bring Amazon's customer service to an exceptional high level. Amazon will also spend as much of time as necessary making the customer experiences optimal.
Part of providing a great product experience is to consider the digital experience for customers. As one of the first online retailers, Amazon created a model that sets standards in e-commerce. First of all, the app. One of the easiest ways to access Amazon and deals is through the Amazon app, especially with Prime Day. With the app, Prime members are able to set preview sale products and select to get notified when they become available. They are also able to order products using traditional online ordering or dash buttons. Social media. 70% of customers expect a response to a complaint in under 1 hour. Today, customer service via social media is imperative. Amazon has a special app, Amazon Help, on Twitter that handle 7 days complaints in 7 languages in only some hours or some minutes. So people can have a very quick answer. What Amazon has been able to do, whether through its website, the app, or social media, is to carry the experience through across multiple channels. They understand that wherever you meet the brand, they need to make an impression and provide the same customer experience that drives loyalty in other channels. The second step is product experience. Building a great product is an important part of customer experience. Amazon has created an ordering system that has provided several components we now expect as customers. Searchability. Amazon combines a Google-like ability to search with an ability to sort by brand. Average customer review, price, and availability, as well as by product categories or brands. So it helps customers to reduce search efforts and search time. Product education. To help to decide a customer take a product, Amazon also provides the ability to learn more about how the product meets the customer's needs. This is primarily done through reviews and ratings, which users can access to find out more about the product and how the product performs compared to the commercial description. And these reviews are perceived as more credible and more close to the customer needs as the commercial advertisements of the products. And artificial intelligence, as part of Amazon's mission to make life easier, they have moved beyond browser-based recommender systems to the intelligent voice bot Alexa. Alexa is able to assist in playing music, setting alarms, providing news updates, searching products, and controlling network smart devices. Like most Amazon products, the goal of Alexa is to support, to make the daily tasks easier, to reduce research efforts, to reduce cognitive efforts, and to learn to provide better suggestions, better recommendations based on personalization.
To achieve success in customer-centric challenges, it is essential to fully understand the desires, needs, and motivations of the customers. This often means needing to combine person individualized level data, brand awareness data, and aggregate data. This helps organizations to understand the single buyer's journey and his or her needs while being mindful of market trends. This allows marketers to have a much more accurate view of the customer's values, behaviors, and expectations. For business, it is such strategic to understand the customer, to be close with the customer, to collect the data about the customer, to personalize the relationship, to increase satisfaction, trust, well-being, loyalty, and subsequently emotional connections with the brand. How does customer centricity versus product centricity benefit a company? Product centricity starts with having a product or a service that responds to customer needs, and then getting as much customers as possible who have these needs. The formerly called transactional or mass marketing. On the other hand, customer centricity starts with individuals and aims to meet that needs that customer everywhere and as much as possible. Customer centricity also means having a decent product or service to start with. So this does not mean that the product becomes secondary. But the customer centricity becomes the main competitive advantage. If you look at product centricity as focusing too much on the product instead of the customer, then a firm will fail. So both are not in conflict, strictly speaking. So both are complementary. What is more important is the financial objective for a company that competes in a product-centric way, focuses on optimizing value created by each product, while customer-centric companies focuses on optimizing value created by each customer. And that's a crucial difference. It's where the customer lifetime value, customer equity comes in, where customer service comes in, as well as the customer experience. To really move forward towards a customer-centric approach, firms need to create customer culture, identify gaps, connect what needs to be connected, define customer-centric KPIs such as satisfaction, trust, well-being, loyalty, customer lifetime value, and customer equity, and in the end, be responsible for the customer. That is why let us have a look on the basis of customer-centric firms, the relationship marketing paradigm, which we will see in the next chapter.